A very warm good morning, dear students. Students, we are just speaking about the chapter called writing an essay. So today we are just going to see about those chapter writing an essay. So how to write an essay? This we might have already learned. You have learned already. Rather than we can just revise this chapter. Okay, and this writing an essay and writing a letter. Okay, these two chapters I think we need to see in detail. So let us see the writing an essay. That is the chapter 32. Okay, you can just see that 32 only. Writing an essay. How to write an essay. That is what writing an essay. Okay, so we have different types of essays are there. So before that, we need to understand what is an essay. What do you understand by an essay? So what is given here in the text? An essay is a composition on a specific topic. An essay is a composition on a specific topic comprising 4 or more paragraphs, where each paragraph is an expansion of one idea related to the topic. Okay, so that is what this chapter is. An essay is a composition on a specific topic, comprising 4 or more paragraphs. It can consist of 4 or more paragraphs, where each paragraph is an expansion of one or more idea related to the topic. So that is an expansion. That's a paragraph. How many? 4 or more paragraphs. So in the paragraphs you see the expansion of the idea. So each paragraph. So 4 or more paragraphs are there, and each paragraph is an expansion of one idea. So there is the same idea is just expanded. That means expansion of the same idea related to the topic. Now, types of essays. Now you need to see about the different types of essays. First one is given here is a descriptive essay. What do you understand by this descriptive essays? You need to understand about the descriptive essay. Descriptive, something descriptive, we say that is something descriptive. What do you understand by this description of something? Descriptive essay. So this consists of the description of something or somebody. Description of somebody or something. Okay, and writing a descriptive essay is like painting. So writing a descriptive essay is just like painting a word picture. So through word we are just giving, or through word we are making picturizing. We are giving through the word we are picturizing something. So that is what writing a descriptive essay is like painting a word picture using specific and concrete details. So writing a descriptive essay is like painting through words. Through words we are painting something. Very descriptive manner we are just making something. So word picture using specific and concrete details. A descriptive essay can be written on people, places, or objects. So writing, what we can say, descriptive essay. Descriptive essay is just like picturizing something, and through word picture, using specific concrete details. And a descriptive essay can be a descriptive essay can be written on people, places, or objects. Even objects also we can write. So that is a very narrative manner. Through word we are just making a clear cut picture of something. Okay, we are just through word. The descriptive means through description. Words, through words we are just describing something. So we feel that something is there. It is the exact picture of something, a place or thing or object is giving through descriptive essay. That is what descriptive essays are. I think you might have understood what is descriptive essay. You might have got a clear-cut idea about this descriptive essay. I hope so. Now we can see about the narrative essay. What do you understand by this narrative? That is also narration. Narrating about something. Narrative essay. Narrative. We will see about a narrative essay. What do you understand by this narrative essays? What is narrative essay? Narration of something we say. Usually we say that is a narration of something. What do you understand by this narration of something? Narrative essay means this tells this tells us about events that happen in a sequence in time. That is, it is actually telling about events that happen in a sequence in time. Okay, that is actually happening in sequence in time, and this may relate to one's own experience or to those of others. This actually this may relate to one's own experiences. It is actually telling about one's own experiences or to those of others. Okay, a narrative writing unfolds means it reveals. No, it reveals. So a narrative writing unfolds the events in a chronological order. Narrative essays are usually written in the first person. So narrative essays are actually written in the first person. So actually narrative essay tells about the what is happened first. So in sequence something is explained. What is happened about something in sequence ways. Sequence in the sense that is chronological order. There is an order for everything. So in an order we are just expressing something. That is what this narrative essay is. In order, there is a clear-cut order for something. So order in chronological order we are just saying. So this type tells about a essay that happens in a sequence or in order in time. This may relate to one's own experiences or to those of others. And so one's own experience to those of others. A narrative writing unfolds. You can see a narrative writing unfolds the events. It is just unfolding, revealing the events in a chronological order. Narrative essays are usually written in the first person. Remember that it is written, narrative essays are actually written in the first person. So about myself now, we see that I, never in the first person only we write. First person. We say that first person. Okay. Argumentative essay. What is the other essay is known as argumentative essay. Okay. This type of essay aims at convincing the reader to agree with the writer's ideas. Argumentative. So the writer is just getting the support from the readers. So this type of essay is a writing which is making the reader to agree with the opinion of the writer. So that way it is writing, argumentative essay. You see, this type of essay aims at convincing the reader to agree with the writer's ideas, opinions or attitude. So that a writer is making or convincing the reader his opinion or his ideas are correct. So that way he is making the reader understand that, making or convincing them. When writing an argumentative essay, you must be clear about your opinion and the stand that you wish to take. So when you are writing an argumentative essay, please see that you must be clear about your opinion and your stand about the particular topic or the understanding that you wish to take. So when you are writing argumentative essay, please see that your opinion, your stand. So that is very important. So you are expressing your own opinion your own arguments, your own ideologies, your own ideas, with a, what we can say, correct standpoint. So we are just not standing or sticking to our own points without any hesitation. So when you are writing this argumentative essay, please note that you are standing on your own opinion very firmly without any hesitation. There is no hesitation, but you are sticking to sticking to your own point, our own point. We are sticking, not worried about anything, but whatever arguments, whatever opinion, whatever ideas we are making, so we are sticking to those points. So very clear, right? Now you can use a variety of techniques. You can use a variety of techniques to construct an argument. Okay, you can use a variety of techniques. Any techniques you can use. You can use a variety of techniques to construct an argument. You can make a variety of techniques to construct an argument. You see, you may give facts and or examples. We can see you may give facts and or examples, relates and present opposing views. So you are just sticking to your own opinion, and in order to make your argument strong, what all things you do, you just bring lot of examples. You may give some facts or examples related to the topic which you are speaking. So you are just bringing those things, the arguments. No, when you are bringing these things, you just see that you are bringing the examples, all the proofs, ideas related to your argument. So with examples only, so that people will more attracted and they will agree with your opinion. So that is somehow the reader should agree with your opinion. That is what your what we can say, your interest. For that only you are trying. Okay, and you may give facts and or examples, relate incidents and present opposing views. An effective and a convincing argument is the one that is supported by evidence. So effective argument. Please see that an effective argument is always supported by evidence and reason. So this is very important when you are writing an argumentative essay. Okay, so there should be people will agree with you or with your opinion when you are having sufficient evidences, as well as when you are having sufficient reason. Then people will agree with you. Then we can say that it is an argumentative essay. So when you are proving, we need to prove our point. So we may be sure what we are telling, but we need to make people understand what we are trying to. And also there should be reason, and reason plus evidence. So then people will be more attracted to your argument, and they will support your argument. See, there is a difference. An effective and convincing. That is what we need to. We should be able to convince the message or the essay. Through the essay, we need to convince the people very clearly about our opinion or our argument or our message. Okay. See, an effective and convincing argument is the one that is supported by the evidence. Always support your opinion with a proof from the world around you. That is why. So we need to support our opinion with the help of proofs from the world around us. So there is a lot of examples we can support our point, our argument. No, our argument can be supported with different viewpoints, different examples. With the different examples, our arguments can be supported. So please see that whenever you are writing an argumentative essay, your opinion, your argument should be supported by true evidences, or with the what we can say, evidences and reasons which is from the world around us. So you can just get the proof from the world around us. So that is easy only. We can very easy to get also. Okay. So that is what the argumentative essay. And then we are just moving towards the analytical essay. What do you understand by this analytical essay? Okay, what is this analytical essay? This essay is an attempt to study any topic by exploring and examining all its aspects and relationship between these aspects. Analytical essay. See, from the very word analytic, analyzing something. See, this essay is an attempt to study any topic by exploring. We are just studying something by exploring and examining all its aspects. Okay, we are studying something through this analytical essay. We are proving something. Okay, by examining, by exploring all its aspects and the relationship between these aspects. So the logical connection, okay, between these aspects. All aspects are, we can say, studied very systematically, and the relationship between these things are studied. What is the relationship between these things? Is the aspects that is very systematically seen. In order to write an analytical essay, you can try answering the following questions about the topic you have chosen to write on. So when you are writing an analytical essay, in order to write an analytical essay, you can just try to answer these following questions. Okay, the topic you have chosen to write on. So for what is the first question you can ask? What is the subject under discussion? That is the first question you can ask. What is the subject under discussion? Now, why is the subject so important? The next question is, why is the subject important here? And next one is, what are the various aspects of the subject? What are the various aspects of the subjects? Next one is, no, you have to analyze what are the various aspects of the subject. Okay, and why this subject is relevant, and what are the aspects of the subject, and what is the importance of each of those aspects. What is the importance of each of those aspects? The next one is, how are they related to each other? How are they related to each other? Then, how do they combine to leave an impact on the reader? How do they combine to leave? How do they combine to leave an impact on the reader? That is, giving an impact on the reader. These are some of the questions we need to ask. When writing an analytical essay, it is important to state the main idea of the composition in the beginning. So we need to state the main idea of the composition in the beginning. So first one, when you are writing an analytic essay, you need to see that we should state the main idea of the composition of this essay in the beginning. Now, then the idea should be expanded. Now it is elaborately saying the idea is just expanded, elaborate, very systematically, elaborately we are just speaking about this idea. So then the idea should be expanded with the support of information and examples. So idea is there, and this idea should be expanded with the help of examples and with the information, with the support of information as well as with the support of examples. Our idea should be expanded. So that is what is happening. Usually, analytical essays are written in the present tense. Usually this analytical essay, these are actually written in a, so which format it is written? So the analytical essay, usually these analytical essays are written in present tense only. So please see that the analytical essays are written in the present tense itself. So now we will be in the next class, the most probably we will be just seeing how to write an essay. So we take this one detail one in the detail manner once again, because this is the essays we need to revise. Now we need to see in detailed manner. Okay, we'll be seeing the next class the other part also. Okay.